Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an intro like this.
On that bitch swag, on that bitch sauce, on that bitch drip, on that bitch ball.
Alright guys, in order to make an intro like this, you're going to need two things. Adobe After Effects, actually make it three. Adobe After Effects, you're going to need the plugin for Adobe After Effects in order to make this text like all fiery and stuff like that, and you're going to need the song that you want. So basically guys, what you want to do is you want to go to videocopilot.com and download the saber effect. Like after you should have After Effects installed already, but yeah, if you don't, you're going to have to pay for it. Unfortunately, there is ways to get it for free, but I'm not going to like promote that in this video because yeah, it's just not the morally right thing to do. So what you want to do, if you guys want to get After Effects and stuff, you guys can go search a YouTube video on how to get it for free and download it and get back to you. What you want to do, you want to put the video copilot URL that I put in the description below into your URL and click enter. This will obviously be in the description below, so all you can do is just click on it and it should take you to this website. What you want to do is you want to scroll down, and if you want to scroll down where you see download, and you can either download it if you're on Mac or on Windows. In this case I'm on Windows, so I want to click download Windows, and you can choose whatever location you want. I'm just going to put this on my desktop. It should automatically go to your downloads or whatever if you haven't like messed with that already. And now you can close up the website, and you should have this on your desktop when it's done downloading. So now what you want to do is you want to click extract all, and you want to extract it, and you should get that file. So what you want to do is you want to double click on that, and you just want to click next and install, and it should automatically install onto your After Effects. I'm not installing it because I already have it onto my After Effects. It just caused cluster my thing, like my actual After Effects. So once you've done that guys, you want to open up Adobe After Effects. Now that we're in After Effects guys, you want to right click on this little piece here, or just no, you can just click new composition and just click OK. Now guys, my video seems to be 4 minutes long, which I don't want. You can just literally drag this time ruler right down here to how long you want it to be. Mine will be 30 seconds. It should, if yours is already 30 seconds, just leave it as it is, you don't have to drag it. But I made my video shorter so I can make it like a 30-second intro or something. Then what you want to do guys is you want to click the little T here for text. You want to click that, and you want to click on your black screen here and type in whatever name you want here, YouTube or whatever. In this case it'll be Team Lucid because it's a Team Lucid YouTube channel. If you guys do want to join the Discord, it'll be in the description below, and we can do some trials. Now guys, now that you have that, you want to go layer, new, solid, and you just want to click OK. Just ignore all of that, just click OK, and now you can see that your text layer is below the solid layer that you just added. Now that you have that, you want to go to effects and presets. If that's not showing up on your right side, you just want to click window right here. You want to click effects and presets. So what you want to do is you want to go to your effects and presets and type in saber, the thing you just added from videocopilot.com, the saber effect. Now you want to click on it, drag it over, and drop it onto this black solid one that you just added. Now that you have that, you should see something like this. Now you want to go to presets. Over here on your left, there should be effects controls for the saber. You want to click on next to presets, you want to click on select, and you're going to bring it right down all the way to pulse. And now you want to bring the top glow intensity down to around 25, I'll say. And maybe bring that down a bit. Bring that down a bit. Bring that up a bit. And now that you have that, you can change the color to whatever color you want your text to be. Mine in this case will be red from the tutorial. There we go guys. And now you want to go to customize core. There you want to bring that down. You want to click on here, next where it says core type. You want to click text layer. Oh, it says text layer there, text layer there. You want to click on that none thing, and you want to click Team Lucid, the text that you just typed in, which is there. Team Lucid, and as you can see, it's there. Obviously, it looks like really bad quality because I got it in quarter, because I usually make montages. If you click full, you see it looks like proper cool. Because I'm recording, I'm leaving a quarter so I can render, so I can actually show you guys the thing. Basically, we've almost done it, guys. We've almost done it. Alright, almost done. It's quite easy, isn't it? Alright. Now, so far we've got this, which is not exactly what you guys want. You want that little whole shaky effect. So, we're gonna go here, back to effects and presets. When I click the X to get rid of saber, and I just want to type in wiggle. So we're gonna put in wiggle position, and we're gonna drop it in the black solid again. And you can just scroll up and like have saber down. Don't delete it or anything. Just click on that little arrow key, and you want to put in wiggle. Wait, we'll first do this. Alright, guys. Once you've tried wiggle position over, you want to quickly click on wiggle amount. I'll just put it down to 25. Mine's already 25 because it must be edited with already. You want to put that there, 25. And now what you want to do is you want to go to where is it? Oh, you want to put that to 57. You want to put the wiggle amount to 57, boys. And as you can see, I don't know why it's not 30 seconds anymore. There you go. You can see that wiggle now. You can see that kind of wiggle. Now what you want to do, if you're happy with that, you can leave it as it is and add your song over it, which I'll show you how to do just now. Or you can add wiggle position as well. I mean wiggle rotation as well. After you've closed all of that down, and make this really small. Bring that down to -2, boys. -2. Alright. And now you can see it looks just like that video. Obviously it'll look better if it is fully rendered. But you can see it says Team Lucid like that. And now what you want to do is obviously you want to go to your desktop, wherever you got your song. Here for instance, I'm just going to put it there. And you want to drag this and just drop it in like that. Drop it in. Alright, now I've got it in, guys. All you want to do is literally just press play. Alright guys, now that I've rendered it out, this is how it should look. And obviously you're going to want a lot of different music and stuff, and you can shorten up the clip to where you want the music to start playing. For instance there, it'll start playing the music from there, and then you could drag that in and like put it at that point where you want the music to, like where it says dun 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 sicko mode or whatever. I don't actually know the song properly. Now that I've tried
Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, he in sicko mode.
Alright boys, so you get the point. My computer's really laggy at the moment, guys. But once you've done that, guys, all you want to do is go to File, and you want to go to Export, and you want to click on Add to Render Queue. And you don't really want to mess with those settings. Your computer should be able to handle that. Like it should be able to decide like, okay, I can handle these best settings or whatever. For instance, my computer, it should say yeah. Alright, cool. And now you want to click on Output 2, and you want to go to your desktop, and you want to click Save. Now I've already done it, as you can see. As well as 2 of them, it looks a bit confusing. But all you want to do is click on Render, and it shouldn't take too long, guys. And once it's done rendering, it will just appear on your desktop, and it will have it there for you. Thank you guys for watching. Once it's done, it should be on your desktop as how you would like it to be. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit a thumbs up on this video and subscribe. And yeah, it's your boy Team and Plays out from Team Lucid. I enjoyed doing the video with you guys today. Peace.
Gone on you.